Good morning, students. Today is the turn of the second chapter of Honeysuckle. How the dog found himself a new master. What do you mean by master? Master is a person who holds command on anyone. ऐसा व्यक्ति जो किसी को कमांड करे, that is known as master. As the name suggests that the story is about a dog. एक कुत्ते की कहानी है. How the dog found himself a new master. एक ऐसी story that tells us that a dog was in search of master. ये बताती है कि कैसे एक कुत्ता एक मालिक की खोज में निकला था. This dog wanted to have a master for it. इसको अपने लिए एक मालिक की तलाश थी. So let's start. The dog and wolves are of the same family, and the dogs had evolved from the wolves family. And another fact is that over the centuries, wild animals have been tamed by man. And this story informs us how a dog changed to a tamed animal. ऐसा नहीं था कि इस यूनिवर्स की शुरुआत से ही कुत्ता पालतू जानवर था. This is told in this story that how dog have been changed into a pet animal from that of a wild animal. कैसे जंगली जानवर से एक पेट एनिमल बन गया. So let's start. Dog was once their own masters and lived the way wolves do in freedom until a dog was born who was ill-pleased with this way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than him. In the very beginning of the universe, dog and wolves belong to the same family, and dog also used to move here and there just as wolves did. कुत्ते भी ऐसे इधर उधर जंगलों में घूमा करते थे जैसे कि wolves घूमा करते हैं. But once upon a time, a dog born, and he was tired of finding food for himself. बहुत परेशान हो गया था वो अपने लिए भोजन की तलाश में इधर उधर घूमते घूमते. And it also did not like the life of wandering. इस घूमते हुए जीवन से बहुत परेशान था वो. And he was also afraid of the animal who were stronger than him. वो उन एनिमल से बड़ा घबराता था जो उससे ताकतवर थे. वैसा तो था नहीं कि dog was the most powerful on the earth. There were some animals, there were some species of animal who were stronger than him. कुछ ऐसे भी जानवर थे जंगल में जो कि उससे ज़्यादा बुद्धिमान थे, उससे ज़्यादा ताकतवर थे. He thought it over and decided the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth, and he set out to find such a master. After thinking repeatedly, he decided that he should have a master, and the master should be most powerful on earth. काफी सोचने के बाद उसने निर्णय लिया कि उसे एक मालिक ढूंढना चाहिए, and the मालिक and the master should be the strongest. और मास्टर कैसा होना चाहिए? स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए, एकदम पावरफुल होना चाहिए. He walked and he walked, and he met a kinsman of his, a big wolf, who was as strong as he was fierce. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. I am looking for someone to take up services with. Would you like to be my master, wolf? I don't see why not, the wolf said, and this agreed upon. The two of them went on together. While walking some distance, he met with one of his relative wolf. कुछ दूर जाने के बाद वो किससे मिला? एक भेड़िए से मिला. And the wolf were of the same family of dog. कुत्ते की प्रजाति से ही बिलोंग करते थे. And the wolf was looking very powerful and frightened. बहुत डरावना भी दिख रहा था और बहुत ताकतवर भी. The wolf asked the dog where he was going. उसने पूछा कहाँ जा रहे हो? The dog replied that it was in search of a master. उसने कहा कि मालिक की तलाश में जो बहुत ताकतवर है. And he asked the wolf, would he like to be his master? उसने कहा क्या तुम मेरे मास्टर बन सकते हो? And wolf agreed to do so. And they both started walking together. wolf तैयार हो गया और दोनों साथ में चल पड़े. They walked and they walked and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly off the path and into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised, and as they went on some distance, the wolf sniffed something and he quickly left the path and hid behind a tree and trying to detecting something. अचानक से चलते चलते वुल्फ रुक गया और कुछ सूंघने की कोशिश करने लगा और एक पेड़ के पीछे जाकर छुप गया. The dog was totally confused what was happening. डॉग को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि ये हो क्या रहा है. And he asked the wolf what had affected him. किस चीज ने उसको इतना अफेक्ट किया that he was trying to hide behind the tree, कि वो पेड़ के पीछे छुपने की कोशिश करने लगा. Can't you see? There is a bear out there and he might eat up both of us, you and me. The wolf replied that he felt that a bear was coming towards them and definitely he might eat them. उसने कहा क्या तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि बियर हमारी तरफ चला रहा है? डेफिनेटली हम दोनों को खा जाएगा. That's why I am trying to hide. इसलिए मैं छुपने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Seeing that the bear was stronger than wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to this readily and said, "Let us go and find a herd of cow. I'll kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill." As the dog realized the bear was more powerful than wolf, he turned to bear. He went nearer to bear and asked him to be his master. The bear became ready and he asked the dog to go with him and find a group of cows so that he could kill the cow and fill their stomach. भालू तैयार हो गया और उसने कहा कि चलो चल के गायों का झुंड, गायों का समूह ढूंढते हैं ताकि मैं एक गाय को मारूं और हम दोनों अपना टम्मी फुल कर सके, अपना पेट भर सके. They walked and soon saw a herd of cows, but just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. The cows were mooing loudly and running in a panic in all directions. As they came nearer, as they went nearer to the cows, they found that cows were running here and there by shouting. उन्होंने देखा गायें इधर से उधर भाग रही हैं because they were afraid of being killed by someone. क्योंकि वो समझ गए कि कोई उन्हें मारने आ रहा था. That's why they were running in all directions. इसीलिए वो चारों तरफ दौड़ के भाग रही थी. The bear looked out from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. Now why did I have to come here? Said he to the dog. It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts. The lion, who is he? Didn't you know? He is the strongest beast on the earth. Well, then I'll say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. When the cows were making noise, the dog found that bear was looking behind the tree. जब गाय इधर उधर भाग रही थी तो उस कुत्ते ने देखा कि जो ये भालू है जाकर एक पेड़ के पीछे छुपकर सब कुछ देख रहा था। एंड सडनली ही रैन रैपिडली इनटू द डीप फॉरेस्ट। अचानक ही घने जंगल की ओर भाग गया। एंड व्हेन द डॉग आस्क्ड द रीजन बिहाइंड इट, द बियर रिप्लाइड दैट he felt that lion was coming to them, and the lion was the most powerful animal on the earth and it was also the king of the jungle. उसने बताया कि मुझे महसूस हुआ कि कोई शेर इधर आ रहा है and the lion is the most powerful on the earth. उसने कहा कि वो बहुत ताकतवर जानवर है, वो हमें मार देगा और वो जंगल का राजा भी है। And when the dog found the lion more powerful than bear, he said adieu to the bear. उसने bear को भी गुड बाय टाटा बाय बाय बोल दिया और क्या कहा, if the lion is the most powerful animal on the earth, then I should have a master like him. मुझे वैसा मालिक मिलना चाहिए। And he left the company of bear. उसने bear का साथ छोड़ दिया। And now the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. And he went near to lion and asked the same question as he asked bear and the wolves. वही प्रश्न पूछा जो कि उसने bear से और wolf से पूछा था। The lion agreed to it and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long, long time. It was a good life and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared touch the dog or offend him in any way. And when he got the acceptance of lion, he started living with lion. जब उसको सहमति मिल गई लायन की तो उसने लायन के साथ रहना शुरू कर दिया। And they have been staying for a very long duration. बहुत लंबे समय तक उनका साथ चला। And because the lion was the most powerful animal in the jungle, so no one could dare to threaten the dog. कोई भी परेशान नहीं कर पाता था डॉग को। And they were able to arrange sufficient food for them. और वो दोनों मिलकर अपने लिए पर्याप्त भोजन इकट्ठा कर लेते थे। But one day, two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran amid bare cliffs when all of a sudden the lion stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such force that a hole formed there. Then he began to back away very quietly. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog, surprised. I smell a man coming this way. The lion said, we had better run for it or we'll be in trouble. Oh, well then I'll say goodbye to you. Lion, I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. One day, they were going for a long walk. Suddenly, the lion stopped and he started bearing the ground. उसने जमीन को अपने नाखूनों से खोदना शुरू कर दिया। And in his anger, he made a long hole. उसने गहरा गड्ढा कर दिया। And when the dog asked the reason, he replied that man is coming. कोई आदमी आ रहा है। And if the man would come nearer to them, they would have definitely been caught by him. अगर वो आदमी हमारी तरफ आ गया तो जरूर हमें पकड़ लेगा। So it is better to run away from that place to save them. उसने कहा कि अच्छा होगा कि हम यहाँ से भाग जाएं ताकि हम अपने को बचा सकें। On realizing this fact that lion is not the strongest on the earth. He became very sad. जब कुत्ते को ये रियलाइज हुआ कि लायन भी सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट नहीं है तो बहुत निराश हुआ एंड ही डिसाइडेड टू हैव अ मास्टर लाइक मैन। तो डिसाइड किया कि अब मुझे इंसान जैसा मास्टर चाहिए एंड ही वेंट नियर टू द मैन एंड आस्क्ड फॉर बिकमिंग हिज मास्टर। उसने कहा कि तुम मेरे मास्टर बन जाओ एंड द मैन एग्रीड and from that time till the date dog is tamed by the men and their friendship is famous on the earth। और उस दिन से लेके आज की डेट तक कुत्ते और इंसान की दोस्ती जग जाहिर है और आज भी कुत्ते इंसानों के द्वारा पाले जाते हैं। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।